Hi, this is Charting Man Dan of thechartguys.com, home of technical analysis education. Click the link for a free week trial, no credit card required, and gain access to our multiple live broadcasts daily, community chat room, educational videos, nightly watch lists, and more. Invest in your education and future and join the community today. Hey everyone, checking back in on oil, and we're at an interesting setup here. We set a lower high today. We did get above 50, but the lower high induced a lot of profit taking, and we're right at 10-day moving average support of 48.99. So the range is tightening. We're beginning to level out a bit. We've got the bearish MACD cross following through. The last bearish MACD cross we had was to start May, and we saw some sufficient pullback on that move. So this is perhaps indicating that we're going to see some bearish activity in oil in the short term. So on the weekly time frame, bearish reversal candlestick forming. We obviously have 3 trading days left to go before that forms, but we'll be keeping an eye out. The last red week we had was 4 weeks ago, so the bulls have been in full control. A little glimpse of where I am tracking oil. I'm looking at all different time frames. First, let's look at the daily. I've got this strong uptrend line, which we have held for the past month or so. Make that a month and a half. So coming up on that support, and I like how investing.com here carries those support lines into different time frames. We can see this big time dump today for oil after that inability to break above the high we've seen on this bounce. So 50.21 was that resistance. We hit 50.09 and then dropped. And now we're at very key support. Look at 50, make that 48.80. We have seen the bounce off of this support multiple times over the past couple of weeks, and we're looking at a third test of it now. If we lose 48.80 support, it's going to be a significant bearish development. It will be a lower high and then lower lows. We can see the uptrend line there that I had on the daily chart will also be on the verge of being lost if we lose 48.80 support. So a lot hinges on that level and a potential bearish entry opportunity. Ideally, the bears would want to see some short-term bounce because this was a strong move to the downside very quickly, and then a loss of 48.80 signaling that bearish entry. So that's what we're looking at for oil. The bulls are still in control with the 10-day moving average support, but the 2 candlesticks on the hourly chart combined with the bearish MACD cross certainly is capturing the attention of some of the bears. So we'll check back in with oil as usual. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching. The Chart Guys community has compiled trader tips from dozens of traders over the last year and put together a free ebook you can access by clicking the button and entering your email. Have a wonderful night.